You want to buy a jet. How should you do it? For each situation, the solution is Vair. The decision to purchase an aircraft rests on the balance between cost and access. Sole ownership gives you complete control. But what if you don't quite fly enough to justify the cost? Other ownership models like fractional, membership plans, and supplemental charter just add complication without dramatically cutting down your cost per hour. Splitting the aircraft cost is the best way to cut your expenses. But a self-managed partnership is high risk, high stress, and it may end badly. It's time to rethink your approach to partnership with Vair. Vair co-ownership simplifies the entire process of jet ownership, while matching you up with a responsible partner to share the costs. Here's how it works. After our consult, we'll pair you with a qualified co-owner who fits your profile. We'll even match you up with an ideal aircraft. Vair takes care of the footwork from agreement to acquisition. And because Vair is a neutral third party, we make your partnership even stronger. We're experts in jet management. We'll add efficiency to your travel that you just can't get on your own. Vair's convenient and transparent scheduling and incentivized sharing model means you'll have unrivaled access to your aircraft, virtually the same as sole owners. With Vair managed co-ownership, owning a jet is finally a smart decision. Convenient access, effortless ownership, and dramatic savings. That's what Vair will do for you.